Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm Eric's wife. My husband, he's created these very cool stands, and I wanted to show you how to put them together. So there's a couple different ways to put these together. So I use them like this. Let me see. So all you have to do is make sure that the two sections of the cross beam and the little spot here go together, and you just push down. Take a look at that one. Okay, so you want to make sure you press down hard, and it will just kind of snap together. So that I usually do it that way, and I have 5, so I'll stick one like this. This way. I do like it. It's pretty stable. You can do a lot of things with it. Now, so that's the one way. Now another way, and they're really stable this way. Okay. So you just push it together like that. I don't know if you saw me do that. And just kind of like this way. Now, if you really want it super stable, because I mean, usually, because one set comes with 2 cross beams, so you can put it like this, and then, so there you can have them individually. And if you really want it super stable, you can actually put another cross beam back here. I mean, these aren't going anywhere if you do that. So anywhere there's notches is where you can put them together. And that way they can even go this way too. So they could go this way, they can go this way. There's lots of different ways you can do it. And again, you can just put them. And then you just kind of stretch them out. These are all zigzaggy if you like them that way. I'm pretty straight. Some people like them, off center. So you could do it that way. Another thing you can do with these ones, so let me just show you what it looks like laying down, because you can do it that way. So you can have it like this way on a table, and then if you wanted to, you can have this one. This would be like if you had it raised up, you could have it like that. When you have them on PVC, they fit together just like this. So when the PVC pipe is through it, you don't need the cross beams, and it will. They'll just sit like right next to each other, and you only need one with that. You only need the one, so one, all across the PVC pipe, and that weights it to the table, so it makes it really sturdy. Whichever ones, you just stick them on a PVC pipe like this, and you just kind of push down so that they slide. Just gotta make sure that they're all going the same direction. And you make sure that they're all sitting properly together like that. And then what that looks like is So that is how that goes, and again using the PVC. So it really weights it down pretty heavily and looks great. So I used this on my table today. It worked out really wonderfully. Again, the new design can hold cards. If you have any questions on how to put these together, please let us know. And we're here to help you. So if you have any questions about that, just let us know. I find that they are great at this event that I did. And again, this is how fast they are to take apart. I find putting these back in the envelopes in my binders, that takes longer than putting these together and taking them down. So that's pretty much how, like, I take that off when I'm cleaning up. I just kind of pull these off very quickly and then put them all in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm off and ready to go. That's pretty much all there is to it. And I find the pile of, like, I just scoop all my sets up and put them in a little zipper bag, and then I come home and I sort them out. Ta-da. All right, so have a good day. I hope you, if you have any questions, let us know. And if you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear it. All right, thanks.